Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Yahoo Mail app from your smartphone. So for this tutorial, I'll show you the Android version process. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, there are two ways you can uninstall Yahoo Mail app completely from your phone. In the first method, you can just long press on your app and you should see the option to uninstall from here. If you tap on it, just confirm that indeed you want to uninstall. However, if you don't see this option, then you can uninstall your app either through Google Play Store or App Store. So I'm on Android and therefore I'll go to Play Store, search for my app. I'll just search for Yahoo Mail like that, and then tap on search, and we have our app here. If I tap open it, you can see we have an option to uninstall. I'll go ahead and confirm that indeed I want to uninstall, and this will remove the app from my smartphone. Now, if I go back to my phone and go check on my apps, you can see if I scroll up to down here, the app is missing. So that's how you can uninstall Yahoo Mail app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.